Start of vlog for America. Where do I start? Vlog episode 1, America. We are currently packing to leave to America once again. I've been home for about 3 weeks and now we're heading back, which is awesome. I'm stoked. Hunter's asked me to come race the Nations Pitbike event. So there's 3 of us Aussies going and 3 people in every other country doing it, so it should be sick. I'm super excited. Just starting to pack all my things and get ready to go. Left it pretty last minute. My got to be at the airport in the hour, so a lot less than I took last time, which is good. I'm really stoked about. A lot less. So I'll jump in the shower, gonna get ready, and then update. I'll meet my friends Jeff and Leash at the airport, go from there, get some vlogging down, and hopefully film a lot more this trip.
Hop around and
the overhead lockers. Please ensure your seatbelt rather is upright with your seatbelt.
Stay seated. California dreaming.
Everyone when I wake up.
Where are we? Fuck yeah. First day, just got to Huntington Beach, going to hang out with Dave for the day. I feel good actually, not jet lagged, so I had a good sleep. Nice. Weather's sick.
Ladies and gentlemen,
One for you, sir.
Thank you.
One for you. I don't drink.
Cheers, man. Cheers.
Chicago, bro. Sick, bro. Kanye was born here. Go, have a big suck. More. That was awesome. You can play out the Moses waters and where we going?
4 gallons.
I don't know. You're the fucking map guy.
I don't know where we're going, to be honest. Redbud?
Redbud?
are we going straight to Redbud or to the hotel?
Redbud? Redbud? We can't get in the hotel till 4.
Oh.
Yeah, try.
Redbud?
Yeah, dude.
Bluebud.
Fucking A, dude.
Yeah.
Chicago was actually pretty cool.
Stuffing out the toe, dude.
Fucking Dells, dude.
60 mile an hour, dude.
Bluebud.
Oh shit, sorry.
All the moto dads. Holy fuck, this is really
When I go driving, I stay
we found a little cheetah secret here.
You do not need this one.
We need to open its holes up for more maximum power.
Yeah.
Southwick!
Oh, that's the one.